Three.
Hey, it's Josh with Commonwealth Curb Appeal. While looking online for some videos to send to a client about how to start a outdoor gas fire pit, I couldn't find anything, so I thought I'd make a video for you. So what you're going to do is you're going to turn the knob on. You'll be able to hear the gas, and you're going to push it all the way in, and then push the button. Once the fire starts, keep holding the knob in for about 20 to 30 seconds so that the thermocoupler can warm up. If you release this too soon and the thermocoupler is not warm, it'll cut the gas off. That's a safety feature in case the flame blows out or goes out for some reason. It'll get cold and cut the gas off. So then to turn it off, what you're going to do is push it in a little bit, about midway, and it'll allow you to turn it back off. So I hope this video has been helpful. Please subscribe to our YouTube and like our Facebook page. Have a great day.